Happy Monday, guys. So let's get to it. We got a lot of trades that I have my eyes on setting up for. I think I only have one that's going to be a weekly. The rest of these are all you have time to get them. Find good pricing, so that you can get some bank. So let's get to it. We have Delta 6750 calls for December 20th. We have Delta 65 calls for March 21st of next year. So these two are still in play. Next, we have GDX. GDX $39 calls for January 17th. Next, we have SIRI $30 calls for January 17th. Next, we have SQ $90 calls for December 20th. Next, we have SoFi $20 calls for June 20th of next year. Next, we have Pfizer PFE $28 calls for December 20th. Next, we have Hood $37 calls for December 20th. Riot, we have two. We have Riot $20 calls for June 20th of next year. And then we also have Riot $14 calls for March 21st of next year. Preparing for that bull run. Next, we have DraftKings DKNG $55 calls for May 16th. Next, we have CrowdStrike CRWD $500 calls for February 21st. Here is my one weekly for this week. It's going to be Amazon 210 calls for Friday. Very, very risky. And then our last one is going to be Home Depot 390 calls for the 29th of November. All right. So let's run through these again. All right. So that is the plays that I am looking to position myself in. Like always, it's not financial advice. You know what I mean? I'm just giving information. You can look into these trades, you can chart them yourselves. These are the best options that I see that are going to pay big. So that's what I look for. And it's just free for you guys. Uh, Anywho, play, like always, play smart. Don't feel like you have to, rush and get all these plays. Check the dates, try to get them a little bit closer to the dates if it's more for affordability purposes. And like I said, win the trade. Don't sit here and try to hold the trade all the way till expiration. Manage your risk. Make sure that you are definitely taking profit, or buying multiple and closing out of a good majority of them before, expiration, so that you can, maximize your gains. All right. So happy trading this week, guys, and good luck, and see you next week.